I've spent an entire week searching for a good marketing assistant, and I couldn't find one that suits me. I mean, they all seem decent, but I don't know. We didn't click. So after I complained to a friend of mine, she recommended I try out Ad Creative. Oh boy, we clicked right away. It is simple to use, fast, and does precisely what it claims to do. When you sign up, you'll access a 7 days free trial. It's not much, but enough to make you depend on it. Click on the link in the video description to access this tool completely free. First, you get to create your brand. Just paste your website address and upload your logo, and Ad Creative fill out the rest of the information and also get your brand colors. Now you get to choose which kind of ad you want to create. Ad Creative offers conversion-focused ads, social ads, text ads, ad package, and batch creatives. Today, I'm trying out all of them. Each one takes 3 simple steps. Ads Creative. Step 1, access Ads Creative and choose the size of your post. All the most common ones are here. I picked the post size since I need a regular post. Now enter the headline, punchline, and call to action. You can just scribble a few words and click on this brain-looking button, which will offer translation, change of sentiment, variation, and shortening of text. Step 2, I'm happy with the text, so let's move on to the background. You can upload your own, choose a free one from the stock library or buy one. It has a very good selection, so I guess you'll find one here. If you're extremely picky, then upload one. Step 3, click on create and look at this.
1 minute later.
I have to be honest and say that these are some really good looking posts, and you can see the conversion rates too. Social creatives have the same steps, so no need to show that twice. A text. Step 1. First thing you're asked is to paste your website address. Click scan and you'll get the info it took from your website. Step 2. Choose what type of text you want, the tone and the language. Step 3. Click generate and you'll get a bunch of ad text along with their SEO score. Just copy it and use it for your campaign. Ad package. Step 1 for this one. You also need to scan your website first. Click next and check out the suggested strategies. There's a lot of them, so pick the one that suits your business. I took direct conversion. Step 2, next step is easy. Pick your preferred advertising platform and post size. Google is always popular, so I chose that one. Now pick or upload a background image for your campaign. Step 3, we come to the text part again. Headline, punchline, call to action. Use the AI to help you get more engaging texts. Click generate and wait for it. Pros, a very user-friendly platform. Good for small businesses, can make social posts in minutes. Good for beginners, quick generation. Cons, sometimes hard to scale images. Not many customization options. My overall score is 4.4 out of 5. I'm really starting to like Ad Creative. You should try it out too by clicking the link in the video description.